Fazul Qamar Khan, a key accused in the 2003 Mulund train blast case, has been found living in Thane near Mumbai. His wife Aisha has spoken to Times Now and denied all allegations made against her husband.
और बस इतना ही बता दीजिए, ये यहाँ पर आप कब से रहते हैं?
हेलो,
कब से रहते हैं आप? मुझे नहीं मालूम। हाँ,
अच्छा, आपके शोहर पे जो इल्जाम लगाए जा रहे हैं उस बारे में क्या कहना चाहेंगे आप?
वो सब गलत है।
गलत इल्जाम है। लेकिन कहा जाता है वो पाकिस्तान गए थे, इस बारे में क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
नहीं, वो कभी पाकिस्तान नहीं गए, वो इंडिया में ही रहते हैं।
उनका जरी का बिजनेस है?
जी।
अच्छा, नहीं, लेकिन ये जो कहा जाता है मुलुंड ब्लास्ट, घाटकोपर ब्लास्ट में उनका नाम लिया जा रहा है, उन पर जो इल्जाम लगाए जा रहे हैं टेररिज्म के, उसके बारे में क्या कहना चाहिए?
वो सब गलत इल्जाम है, वो सब झूठा इल्जाम लगाए हैं।
अच्छा, तो उनको कब पकड़ा? क्योंकि हमने सुना 3 महीने में उनको बेल भी मिल गई थी। हाँ, उनको पकड़ा कब था?
I've got Kashif Khusro joining me on the phone on this one. Kashif, this is more embarrassment, isn't it? Because Fazul Qamar Khan's wife has now been found living in Thane and Aisha denying all charges leveled against her husband.
absolutely. In fact, the wife, the relatives, and also the neighbors saying that he's been staying in that very house for the last 30 years. In fact, they're also verifying that whether the police were also there at the spot. I spoke to the police and asked them that was there a goof up on the behalf of the anti-terrorism squad or whether there was any goof up on the behalf of the local police. But they declined to comment on that. They said they are inquiring into the matter. They will reveal full details. In fact, the person in question, Fazul Qamar, is also at this moment not at his house. The police have called him for questioning. We are speaking, we're trying to speak to the guy, to that person who's accused, but he's not yet coming out in front of cameras. He's not speaking, but clandestinely he's sending out messages that he wants to say the story, that how he's been framed and how there's been goof up which has happened. But at this juncture, the anti-terrorism squad, which is responsible for his arrest, remember he was arrested in 2010 last year by the anti-terrorism squad for his involvement in the Vileparla blast in Mumbai as well as the Mulund train blast. In these two blasts, and after that he was given bail by the local court, and since then he has been living in this very area in Thane and he's been conducting his very business. And also the fact that all his neighbors and the local police are not aware that he was in fact involved in such a blast. That is very shocking. And at this juncture, the Home Ministry and the Government of India will have to respond as to where the goof up actually happened.
Let's quickly listen into what Fazul's neighbor also had to say when Times Now caught up with him, and then we'll get back to Kashif for more.
बहुत साल से पहुंचाती हूँ। 30 साल से हम लोग इधर रहते हैं, साथ में सब लोग रहते हैं।
अच्छा, लेकिन उनका नाम ऐसे कुछ आया है अभी लिस्ट में, आपको पता है उस बारे में?
अब हम लोग के गली में तो अच्छे से रहते हैं, सब लोग पूरे परिवार के साथ रहते हैं, उनकी बहन भी रहती है इधर, सब लोग अच्छे से रहते हैं।
बट लेकिन यहाँ पे तो वो बोल रहे हैं कि 1 साल से रहते हैं, पहले से नहीं रहते?
नहीं, बहुत दिन से रहते हैं। हाँ,
किराए का मकान है कि
नहीं, खुद का मकान है उनका।
खुद का मकान है? तो फिर ये कितने लोग रहते हैं वहाँ पे?
अब उनके बच्चे लोग और उनके माँ बाप का तो इंतकाल हो गया, लेकिन माँ है, अभी बहन है, बहनोई है, सब लोग, दोनों जन का दुकान सब साथ में है।
इनकी दुकान कहाँ है?
वही आगे है, वो भाड़े पे दे दिए हैं, अभी अपना खुद कुछ धंधा कर रहे हैं, पीपी का काम कर रहे हैं।
बट लेकिन आप कितने साल से जानते हैं?
हाँ, 30 साल से हम लोग जानते हैं, हम लोग इधर रहते हैं।
Outside the house of Fazul Qamar Khan, the name which was given by India to Pakistan as one of the dreaded terrorists. In fact, let me show you his house. This is where he stays till today. In fact, neighbors claim that he's been living here for about 30 years and there's no problem whatsoever with his living. But the dossier which India has given to Pakistan, his name figures on the list. The local police have now come in over here. In fact, a couple of police from the local police station, the anti-terrorist squad as well have arrived to check and verify the details whether he's just another history sheeter or he's really the terrorist India claims to be. In fact, what we know from our sources is that he is out on bail in the Mulund and the Vile-Parle blast, and he's been living here doing his zari business. At this moment, he's not at home. He's gone for his business trip somewhere in Pune. That is what the neighbors claim. And his wife, his sister, his children are all there inside. At this moment, the police is questioning them, asking them about his details, and clearly the police has not yet been able to verify or establish that whether he is the one which India needs from Pakistan, or whether he is a criminal which was just based in Thane all this while.